3, 2, 1, sing. Eating animals is okay. Hurting animals is okay. Share this song and change your entire menu to be made in from now on. Eating bacon every day makes my worries go away. Will I roast and bake alright? Sorry, carrots, you don't satisfy. Eating animals is okay. Sorry, not tofu. No way. Share this song, tell your friends. Be your life, it never ends. I saw Kel, said you're cute, but then I craved a burger too. I paired a pig and gave a sigh. I ordered ribs with extra fries. I tried tofu once, I tried a coat. Why so crying? Where's the goat? So now I sing this ballad proud. For juicy steaks I'd say aloud. Eating animals okay. It's how I roll, it's how I play. Share the song with others.